What's going on? Monsieur Cuisine Smart is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking easier and more efficient. It combines the functions of a food processor and a cooking machine, allowing users to chop, blend, steam, knead, and even cook meals with minimal effort. So this device is particularly popular among home cooks who want to streamline meal preparation, save time, and try new recipes without requiring extensive culinary skills. So the Monsieur Cuisine Smart features a large touchscreen that offers an intuitive interface for selecting recipes and adjusting settings. It comes with a preloaded wide variety of recipes ranging from soups, sauces, main dishes, desserts. This device's smart technology enables users to follow step-by-step instructions, ensuring consistent results. One of its key features is its ability to connect to a smartphone app, allowing users to access additional recipes, update the device's software, and even monitor the cooking process remotely. It also offers precise temperature control, ensuring dishes are cooked to perfection. So with a combination of functionality, ease and use, and advanced features, the Monsieur Cuisine Smart is a powerful tool for those who enjoy cooking at home.